Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Grand Theft Auto Online on PlayStation 4. To begin your journey, simply launch Grand Theft Auto 5 and select the online option from the character wheel. You will then create your unique character, customizing their appearance and initial statistics. Next, complete the brief tutorial missions to grasp the fundamental gameplay mechanics. Finally, choose a starting location for your character's first apartment, which serves as your initial base of operations in the expansive world. Earning money and reputation points, or RP, is crucial for progression. You can complete various missions offered by in-game contacts to earn both cash and RP. Participate in exciting races, intense deathmatches, and other competitive modes for additional rewards. For more substantial income, invest in businesses such as a motorcycle club or a CEO office, which generate passive earnings. For quick cash, sell stolen cars to Los Santos Customs, typically yielding around $10,000 per vehicle. Grand Theft Auto Online offers a wealth of activities and customization options. Explore the vast open world, engaging in dynamic free-roam events and challenges that appear regularly. You can purchase and extensively customize a wide array of vehicles, ranging from sports cars to powerful aircraft. Acquire various properties, including luxurious apartments, spacious garages, and strategic business locations. Furthermore, personalize your character's appearance with countless clothing options, unique tattoos, and diverse hairstyles to truly make them your own. To enhance your experience, consider these tips for staying safe and socializing. Utilize passive mode to avoid unwanted player versus player combat while exploring the open world. Join a crew to team up with friends, making missions and activities more enjoyable and efficient. Communicate with other players using the in-game chat or voice options to coordinate or simply socialize. Finally, be aware of players who might try to disrupt your game. If needed, use the Find New Session option to move to a different lobby.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.